It's always great to see companies creating new ideas that in paper look great. One of the big problems of having wireless earbuds is the fact that after a few hours of use, they need to be charged again. The PQ earbuds are the solution for that. But are they any good? Welcome to the review of the world's first interchangeable battery wireless earbuds. Hello, Thiago here. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings like this one. And if it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing in the end of this video. With this said, let's start the review of the PQ Wireless Earbuds. Starting with the price, they have a price tag of $119, but they are a Kickstarter funded project and they have an early price of $50 only. I never do Kickstarter funded project reviews because I never know if they will go ahead. But because this one have a great innovation and the price is only $50, I decided to do it. I will leave links on the video description for the Kickstarter page. The PQ was made with one set in mind, and that was to give the customers the freedom of wireless earbuds and to help with the problems that comes with being wireless. From a design perspective, the design is very simple with the logo on top of the case. The top of the case have an elegant leather pattern with a sleek look. It's made of a black plastic material and feels great on your hands. At the back you will get a Type-C charging port, and when you plug it in, the front LED will light up. Talking about LED, you have 5 on the front of the case, with the C LED for the case, the B2 and B1 for battery 1 and 2, and the R and L for the right and left earbuds. The lid opening is very smooth, but the lid doesn't stay open on its own. When closed, the lid is very secure, being magnetic. Inside, the earbuds and the batteries are also held in place by magnets. And it's when you look inside of the case that you see the big difference from the normal wireless earbuds. You will have basically what looks like a normal pair of AirPods Pro, but with the possibility of changing the batteries. So inside of the case you will have a pair of earbuds plus 2 spare batteries. The stem itself is the battery and connects magnetically to the earbud. As soon as your battery dies, you just take the stem part off, put it in the case, grab the other battery, connect it to the earbud, and you can keep it going. So if you work a 12-hour shift, you can keep it going all day long. The battery life on these earbuds is 6 hours of continuous playback time, with the case adding a massive 150 hours on total, so the battery on these earbuds is the strongest point. Talking about features now, the main focus of these earbuds is the battery, but they have nice features as well. They come with a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, with AAC and SPC audio codecs. They have also IPX5 rating, so sweat, splash and rain is not a problem. And if you like to use one earbud at a time, you can use either the left or the right. Let's talk about call quality next. They have 4 microphones, but in my opinion the sound is not the best. But I leave to you guys to judge on the next test.
Right guys, so this is the sound inside of the house. I got the telly in the background so you guys can see, can listen to the sound. And so this is the sound if you want to take a call, and let me know in the comments what you guys think about this sound. Let's go back to the review outside now. This is the sound outside with the PQ earbuds. Like I said before, I don't think this is a clear sound. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to listen and listen what I'm saying clear. It's not windy, it's a lovely day, so look, we're going to see you later. Right guys, we're going to go back to the review inside of the house now.
So, sound. This is one area where in my opinion they lack a bit. They are great for innovation, that's for sure, but on the sound it feels like they are holding back pretty much all the time. The bass feels like it's being held back. The treble feels like it's being held back as well. And the mids are pushed too forward and lacks detail. But with this said, it's not too bad. I think if you're gonna use during the day to listen podcasts or to watch YouTube and Netflix, they work great. On latency, they use a dual chip design to cut down the latency, and in my opinion they have done a great job. I haven't found any lag watching YouTube or Netflix, just when playing games I have noticed a slight lag. Talking about controls, they have touch controls and you'll be able to control everything but the sound volume. And that, in my opinion, is a negative factor, but they are not the only company doing this those days. So, in my opinion, if battery is important for you and you are going to use these earbuds for work to watch podcasts or YouTube, and you can get them for $50, I think they are a great option. Guys, this was my review on the PQ Earbuds, a different pair of earbuds for sure. Thanks for watching this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the right time. Stay safe, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next review.